Vijay Sethupathi is known for his powerhouse performances in films like Super Deluxe, 96, Vikram Vedha, and the recently released Maharaja. His versatility and natural acting have earned him a massive fanbase and respect in the Tamil film industry. But recently, the actor has found himself at the center of a controversy after serious allegations were made against him on social media. A user named Ramya Mohan posted a shocking accusation on her X handle. She alleged that Vijay Sethupathi is involved in perpetuating a toxic culture within the Tamil film industry. Her post highlighted serious claims related to drugs, manipulation, and casting couch practices. Ramya wrote, "Collywood's drug and casting couch culture isn't a joke. A girl I know, now a known face in media, was dragged into a world she never signed up for. She's now in rehab center. Manipulation and transactional exploitation disguised as industry norm." She further accused the actor of offering money for favors, stating, "Vijay Sethupathi has offered Rs to L for caravan favors, 50,000 rupees for drives, and acts like saint on social media. She was used by him for years. This isn't one story, it's many, and the media worships these men like they are saints." In a follow-up post, Ramya expressed frustration over the public reaction. "It's insane how some insensitive morons are more focused on questioning the source or blaming the victim than actually acknowledging the truth. This truth hit the family like a storm when they went through her diary and phone chats. This wasn't just some story. This was her life, her pain." However, it seems that Ramya later deleted her post, citing privacy concerns for her friend involved in the allegations. Amid the controversy, an old interview from 2017 has resurfaced. In it, Vijay Sethupathi condemned the casting couch practice, calling it disgusting and a result of a corrupt mindset. As of now, these allegations remain unsubstantiated. There is no formal complaint, court case, or verified identity of the alleged victim. Vijay Sethupathi has yet to make a public statement on the matter. For now, the truth remains unclear, and we can only wait to see how this situation unfolds. Saiyara is topping charts worldwide, and it's everywhere right now. But with its success, there's also some controversy stirring in the air. Composed by Tanishq Bagchi, the emotional track has grabbed the number 4 spot on Spotify's top global chart and even topped the viral top 50 list. It's undeniably one of the most talked about songs right now. But, as the praise pours in, so do whispers of similarity. Some listeners online are pointing out that parts of the song resemble One Direction's Night Changes and Jubin Nautiyal's Humnawa Mere. Earlier, fans also noticed similarities between the plot of Saiyara and the Korean movie A Moment to Remember, sparking even more debate. But Tanishq Bagchi isn't letting the comparisons get to him. In a chat, he shared his thoughts. "Whatever I do, people will have something to say because they don't have anything better to do. They keep on looking for opportunities to put me down. But ultimately, the song will go wherever it's destined to, and that's what's happening with Saiyara too." Tanishq addressed the criticism directly, explaining that musical overlaps don't always mean something is copied. As for the comparisons, if you look at the melody, the chords are the same. The A minor scale has just about 3 to 4 chords, but every melody has a different soul. That doesn't mean that anything was stolen. Even if you can do that, it's really difficult to make it a hit. He made it clear that no copying was involved, saying, "Idhar se utha ke udhar nahi kiya. We didn't pick and add anything. We worked on the emotion of the song, and that worked. That's the magic of the track, Saiyara, and that's not all." Tanishq has big dreams for the future. जैसे international artists को मिलता है, हमें नहीं मिलता unless you own the publishing rights. The rights of the title track of Sayara isn't with me. It's with the music label. I'll only get so much money. I try to not bother myself because it is what it is. But when I make an international song in the future, I know that I'll earn in billions. I'm waiting for that moment. Whether you love it or have doubts, one thing's for sure, Sayara is making waves in the music world. Stay tuned for more from Tanishq Bagchi, because the best may just be yet to come. Ahaan Pandey has just set the internet on fire with the hottest thirst trap pictures of the week. The Sayara star has been winning hearts ever since his performance in Mohit Suri's latest directorial, and these stunning pictures are the perfect addition to his already charismatic persona. Today, Ahaan left fans swooning with his bare body photos, a surefire way to chase away any midweek blues. The first picture features Ahaan taking a mirror selfie, proudly showcasing his perfectly sculpted abs. But it's the next image that really had fans' hearts racing. Posing just after a shower, Ahaan flexed his six-pack abs while wrapped only in a towel. With the steam from the shower creating a dreamy, blurred effect on the mirror, it's safe to say that the actor made sure all eyes were on him. Along with the steamy pictures, Ahaan took a moment to thank his fitness trainer for helping him achieve such an incredible physique, specifically for his role in Sayara alongside Aneet Padda. His dedication to fitness is evident, and these photos are a testament to the hard work he's put in. While Ahaan is making waves on social media, Sayara is doing wonders at the box office. The film earned 21.25 crore rupees on its opening day, surpassing the first-day collections of hits like Murder 2, Aashiqui 2, and Ek Villain. This impressive performance makes Sayara Mohit Suri's biggest opener to date, and the film has already crossed 300 crore rupees globally. Not only that, but Sayara also surpassed the lifetime collection of Aashiqui 2 in just 4 days. The movie follows the love story of Krish, a short-tempered musician, and Vani, a shy, aspiring journalist and poet. As they fall in love and help each other succeed, their journey takes an unexpected turn, adding more depth to the already emotional narrative. Whether it's Ahaan's sizzling pictures or the film's runaway success at the box office, there's no doubt about it, Sayara is the talk of the town. Fans can't wait to see what's next for both Ahaan Pandey and the film. Stay tuned for more updates. Just days after stepping into a major role at Sona Comstar, Priya Sachdev has updated her Instagram profile to reflect her new position. The former model and entrepreneur is now officially listed as a non-executive director of the auto parts firm previously chaired by her late husband, Sanjay Kapoor. Along with the title change, Priya has also switched her Instagram handle from Priya Sachdev Kapoor to Priya Sanjay Kapoor, marking a new chapter in her life. This update comes after the shocking and unexpected death of Sanjay Kapoor in a freak accident during a polo match in England. Reports say he suffered a cardiac arrest after swallowing a bee. His last rites were held in New Delhi and attended by his ex-wife, Karisma Kapoor. Since Sanjay's passing, an intense public estate battle has unfolded, involving assets reportedly worth thousands of crores. Tensions reached new heights when Sanjay's mother, Rani Kapoor, wrote a letter to the board of Sona Comstar, accusing certain individuals of trying to present themselves as the voice of the family. Though she didn't name anyone directly, Sanjay and Priya were married in 2017 and had a son, Azarius. Priya also has a daughter, Safira, from her previous marriage to Vikram Chatwal. Interestingly, Safira has also made a change on social media, removing her surname and now going simply by her first name. Before her marriage to Sanjay, Priya was a model and even made a cameo in the film Neil and Nikki in the early 2000s. She later became a successful entrepreneur, launching ventures in the automotive retail, fashion, and luxury e-commerce space. Meanwhile, Karisma Kapoor, who was married to Sanjay from 2003 to 2016 and shares two children with him, has reportedly kept a low profile, distancing herself from the ongoing legal and corporate battles. Her focus, according to sources, remains on the well-being and stability of her children in the wake of their father's passing. With so much happening behind the scenes, one thing remains clear. Through all the challenges, Priya's focus now seems to be on securing her place in the company, while Karisma's priority is the future of her children.